Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to use curve pattern. Now go to linear pattern, and click on the drop-down menu. The fourth option on this menu is curve-driven pattern. For this lecture, we will work on the same part that we created using 3D mirror. Let's first create a feature, say a hole. And then we can make multiple copies of it using curve-driven pattern. Let's select this top surface. Right-click, Sketch, Normal. Now go to Sketch, and choose Rectangle. Create a small rectangle. OK. Now go to Extrude Cut. You select Through All. Or select Blind. And drag the arrow up to this portion. OK. Now for the path for the pattern, again select Sketch. Normal. And select the Spline command. Create a curved path. Exit Sketch. Let's move this point a bit downwards. Exit. Now to make the pattern, go to Features. Click on the drop-down arrow under Linear Pattern. And select Curve-Driven Pattern. In direction 1, the path is already selected. We need, suppose, 20 copies. Then under Features to Pattern, select this extruded cut, from the design tree. Let's change the number of copies to 10. We can keep equal distance, or define a specific distance. Now if we click on OK, it shows error. Curve-driven pattern has failed to generate instances, we need to reverse the direction. You can see here, the direction of arrow is opposite our path. So click on this button, to reverse direction. The preview shows where the new features will be created. Just increase the distance. Now select OK. Right-click on this curve, and hide it. This is how we create multiple copies of features along a specified path. Thanks for watching this lecture, see you in the next one.